Did you know that the automation can save up to 10 hours a week by handling the WhatsApp messages for you? Imagine you don't need to type the messages again and again for your clients. Powerful, right? Today I will show you how to build a WhatsApp agent using N8N. With this, you can reply instantly, handle leads, and even automate the reminders, all without lifting your fingers.
Hey guys, this is the basic, user-friendly and easy-to-use workspace that N8N offers you to build an agent. And we will be making our agent in this same workspace. Okay, let us start by creating a trigger. Before starting, let me tell you what is trigger. It means when you want your agent to respond, like on WhatsApp messages or any something else. For us today, it will be a WhatsApp messages as we are building a mock cafe management system that can handle the orders, queries of the customers on its own. Let us start. Don't make it much complex, just follow the steps that I tell. Just click on this plus item and so scroll it down where you find on chart messages. Click it and don't mess with this workspace, just click on back to canvas. Today, before starting, I will tell you that I don't want to make it more complex at the beginning, so I am using this message. Later, after the completion of the agent, we will be integrating WhatsApp at the last. Okay, let us type hi. If you can see if the color is green, that means it is successfully working and properly working. Then click on this plus item because we want to connect it to an agent that can handle the task on its own. Click on this AI, then click on the AI agent. Then don't mess with this. Here we are going to make a little changes, but I will tell you what to make at the last. Then back to canvas. Okay, now if we want our agent to work, then we want one LLM. For me, that would be a Google Gemini because it is free to use. If you use OpenAI, DeepSeek and all, they are paid. They charge you money for using the APIs, but Google Gemini is like free to use. So I will be using a Google Gemini chart model. Okay, but there is a twist. You need to connect your API to this. I have already created an API for me, but how can you create it? If you don't know, I have given a link in the description. I want you to check if you are stuck at this point. Click on this create a new credentials and go to the API key and paste your API key. I have already created, so I don't need to do that. Just click on back to canvas. Let's see if it is working or we have any problem by typing a hi message. Okay, we are getting hi there. How can I help you? That means our Gemini is properly working and agent is also properly working. But it cannot remember my messages. If I tell it my name is Prem, okay, my name is Prem, it will work. Hello Prem, nice to meet you. But again, if I ask what's my name, what's my name, it cannot remember my name. I'm damn sure. I don't know your name as an AI. I don't have access to the personal information, blah blah blah. So that you need to set up a memory system. Click on this memory icon and set up a simple memory. Just now we will make this 10 so that it can remember our 10 past messages. Just click on back to canvas and don't mess with anything. Okay, I will tell you what changes to make. Now it can remember me. If I tell my name is Prem and enter, it can remember my name. Hi Prem. Again, if I ask what's my name, can you see your name is Prem? It has remembered me. That means a simple memory is also working properly. Now it is time to connect tools. Okay, I will be connecting Google Sheets to Google Sheets, which can manage my orders. One will be for menu, one will be for FAQs, and one will be for taking the orders. For practice, I will be giving these 3 Google Sheets in the description. You can take them, you can download them and practice on your own. Okay, this is our orders. Let me delete this. Okay, I have tested it, so I have kept. One is for orders, one is for FAQs. Let me show you guys. I have this is for cafe orders, this is for cafe FAQs. You can see here are some FAQs and this is cafe menu. This is a cafe menu. Let us connect all these 3 sheets with our N8N software. Click on N8N and click on this and search for GWGLE Google. Okay, let me come here, Google Sheets, then select your sheet. One is for cafe menu. Select sheet number 1 and that's it. Back to canvas. Now I think give menu. It has worked. You can wait a second. There's something problem. Okay, we didn't change the name. We need to change the name of the sheet. Get inventory. Back to canvas. Okay, we are getting some error here. I think we are connected with the wrong sheet or something. Let us try once again. To canvas. Let us select. click here. Hi. Let us type hi. Hello, how can I help you today? MENU menu. MENU menu, please. Okay, now it's properly working. You can see here is the menu: beverages, foods, and all. Let us delete this one. We have attached the wrong Excel sheet. Be careful when you are doing that. Let us attach another two sheets with our N8N agent. Google Sheets. Let us create FAQ. Choose sheet number 1 and change the sheet name, that is get FAQ. Back to canvas. This is our FAQ sheet. Then the third sheet is a quite different. It's for appending that if we get an order from the customer, then we need to add it to the Excel sheet. It's for that. Okay. Let us add our third sheet also. Google Sheets tool. Select the order wala thing, order, and choose sheet number 1. And here, what's the change? Can you see this option section? You need to change this from get rows to append rows. If you use Python, if you are a software engineer or something, I think you might know that append means adding the things to a file or a list or a dictionary. Click on the append row and then click all this to AI recommended. I think AI is nowadays more smarter than humans. Click on all this AI thing, AI, and then go back. Our agent is like now almost ready to work. Let us open this. You can see we don't have anything here. Let's see that our N8N agent is working properly or no. Hi, enter. Okay, how can I help you today? MENU, please. Wait a second, there's something error. I have maybe so zoomed. Charge. MENU, please. Okay, I have clicked menu, please. We need to get the menu now. Okay, we have got the menu: espresso, cappuccino, latte. Let's order muffin. Let's order muffin. One for me, one for you. Okay. order 2 muffin. Control plus T. We have clicked order 2 muffins, and magic is gonna happen. Okay, I have placed an order of muffin. Name, frame, name, your name, frame, order ID, and the total is the order date is and order is placed. Let's see our order sheets now. Can you see order number 1, frame, muffin, 2, quantity, price per 1 price 90 rupees, 2 180 rupees, status ordered. But the agent is like not working as I want. It does not follow my cafe rules. It does not follow much things that how I need. Okay, so we are going to give it a prompt. Okay, you need to go to the double click on the agent, then go to this add options and click on system messaging. When you click on system messaging, I have generated this prompt from ChatGPT to create rules and regulations for my cafe that agent need to work. It need to listen to me. Click on Control plus C, then come here, remove this and Control plus V. We have told the agent, we have given the rules to the agent, we have given a direction for the agent and how it needs to work. Then go to back to canvas. Now it's ready. Okay, it's almost ready now. Let us type hi. Agent is properly working, Google Sheets are working, memory is working, everything is working. But now I want to integrate WhatsApp in this. Here's the little tricky part. You need to have some ideas, but you are learning from me. I will make it as simple as possible that you can learn it. Let's delete this. Okay, now can you see this plus option? Click on this plus option, then search for WhatsApp. Click on this WhatsApp business, and first we will set up trigger, then we will set up a sending messages wala thing. Create an on message because we want to trigger our agent when we get a message from the customer. Click on this on message. Okay, then I have already set up my WhatsApp API, but if you are new, if you're creating a new one, you need a client ID and a client secret. If you don't know how to get a client ID and a client secret, it needs only 5 minutes, guys. You can take it in 5 minutes. I have given a link in the description. I want you guys to watch that video. Back to canvas. Now connect it with this. Okay, now our WhatsApp trigger is ready. Now see, when we get a message from the customer, there is a theoretical part. Now I will try to explain in a very easy way. When we get a message from the customer, it triggers our AI agent. It works and it generates an output. But here comes a part. We need to send that message again to the customer. So here we are going to use a WhatsApp API or a WhatsApp feature called send message. But to set up this send message wala thing, when you click on this plus icon, when you want to set up this send message wala thing, search for again same WhatsApp. Here you need to click on the send message. But to set up this, you need, I have already created an credential to connect with the N8N. But if you are creating a new, you need two things, that is access token and a business account ID. Again, if you don't know that how to get this, I have given a link in the description. I want you guys to go and see that. Click on wrong and click on select phone number. When you take access tokens and business ID, it provides you a phone number, mock phone number. It might be a USA maybe. It provides you a phone number, and you need to create a customers list of the customers of your cafe. You can create it using a Google form or anything. If you want a video on that, please comment below. Definitely, I will bring a video on that thing. Let me click my mobile number with country code. Okay, 8431. Okay, my mobile number is done. Let's keep the text body as a working, just to text that our agent is working properly or not. Then click back to canvas. Let's see now. Let's open our WhatsApp. I have already tested it like many times that to give you a good thing that as easy as possible. Let's see if it's working properly or no. Okay, I'll make this small. Okay, execute workflow. Click on WhatsApp and you can see waiting for the trigger event. I will click hi. I need to get output as working. Okay, we are getting error. Okay, I have told you guys right that we need to make some changes in the AI agent and in our simple memory. Let's do that. Click on AI agent first. Okay, when you click on this AI agent, can you see the source from prompt? Change this to define below, and in this section where you can see this prompt, I want you guys to bring this body, drag this to here. Okay, it's very simple. I will show you. Just take this body and drag here. That's all. And back to canvas. And here in simple memory, double click it. Do the same, change to define below. Then I will give you a prompt in the description or expression in the description that you guys need to paste there. Ctrl+C. Then come here and paste Ctrl+V. Now we are like almost done. Now I think the agent should be working properly. Go to WhatsApp. Let us see. Click on execute workflow. Now we should show like waiting for the trigger. Then send the message hi. Now we should get output as working. Okay, there was a problem in sending message. Let us fix this. You get many errors. We also go from errors. Don't scare from them. Okay, trigger when we type hi, you will be expecting that it will give hi, how was your day, something LLM prompt, but no, it will give output as a working. Let's see, it's working. Wait guys, we didn't execute the workflow properly. It's waiting for the trigger and it's done. Our output is like working. Can you see? Now why it didn't give us a beautiful prompt like a ChatGPT gives when we type hi, how can I help you? Okay, for that you need to make a small change, and that is you need to double click on this WhatsApp and this output wala thing, you need to discard this working and drag this output here in this field. Now back to canvas. Now the AI agent is fully ready to work. It will give you a prompt like LLM. Let me show you that how it works. Okay, let me fix this somewhere like here, so that you can see the tree, how is it working. Let's click on execute workflow. Now it should show that like waiting for the trigger. I will show you. Type N8N menu please. When I click on menu please, it should go to this menu Excel file and drag the data from that menu and send me as a WhatsApp message. It has got its trigger. The agent has started working. Everything is done. Let's see our output. You can see beverages espresso. Congratulations, our WhatsApp agent is ready to go. Now we can make it active and launch that. For that you need to save it and click on active, make it active, and got it. Click on no. Let's see now. let's have a one-to-one conversation with our WhatsApp agent. Okay, let me make this simple so I can show even Excel sheets and how is it working. This is our order Excel sheet and this is our WhatsApp. Okay, this is our WhatsApp and this is me. Okay, this is our good UI interface. Let me start a new chat by typing hi. This is a live example. It has given hello, how can I help you today? Are you looking for something order or do you have any questions about the cafe? Who are looking for order? Okay, LWO. Okay, LWO. Okay, I'm actually looking for order. Okay, what do you like to order from the menu? Our menu, please. I asked it for menu. I asked it for menu now. It will take some time, guys, because it's like agent, right? It will take. Okay, let us order some muffin. Let us order muffin, guys. Order me. Order me 3. Order me 3 muffins. Waiting for the reply. Boom. Okay, great. You would like to 3 muffins. Each muffin costs 90 rupees, so the total order will be 270. Could you tell your name, please, so that I can place my order? I will tell it my name. It is already taken, but still it's asking. Prem. Enter. I gave it my name. Thank you, Prem. Just confirm your order. Item, muffin, quantity 3, total price 270. Is it correct? I will confirm. Yes. You can see, guys, another order is added. Same order. You can check the order number. It's the same order, and our agent is like beautifully working. We didn't think of it that we would make such a beautiful agent in such a short time. You can freelance this service. You can play with this service. Time we have made such a wonderful agent, but you can't stop here. You can integrate many more things. You can integrate payments. You can integrate bills. You can collect the data like phone numbers and all from them, because data is gold in this time. So thank you, guys. Please subscribe my channel.
So just now we have built a smart WhatsApp agent using N8N. With this you will never miss an important message again. If you found this video useful, then click a like button and subscribe for such automation hacks. And I would like to hear that how you would use this WhatsApp automating agent for your personal use.